Sometimes I am unable to speak English. It means I get stuck while speaking English. I can understand the English and I listen, I read, and I also write in English related to my daily routine and so on other topics. Hello, my dear friends. Hello, my dear learners. Namaskar and welcome to this channel. I am Rakesh and I have been a learner. As we all know that in this channel I am going to tell about the series Broken and Spoken English Speaking Practice. Recently I have started the series I told you. In this series I always allow myself to speak English without fluency, that is, without thinking about making mistakes and correctly or incorrectly, that is, whether it is wrong or right. Don't think about these things. I just focus on my speaking practice, just focus on a speaking skill. So this is the purpose of this series I have started on this channel, and of course this is the series for beginners. So guys, let's move on. In this video I am going to tell you today's topic is related to my problem, my situation. What is my problem? That is, whenever I try to speak English, that time it means sometimes I get stuck while speaking English because I think about the people, they judge my English. This is the sentence I always think about because I can listen, read and also write easily in English language, and I am not scared of the people, and in this situation they cannot judge my English whether it is wrong or right. I am speaking right now and any time. But when it comes to a speaking skill, that is a speaking practice, in this situation I am unable to speak English, that is I am not able to start a speaking practice because of people are judging my English. Guys, I mean to say that about English language. To learn this language, I can understand in form of listening, reading and writing. But when it comes to speaking, I get stuck. I am not able to speak words in English. Although I practice a lot in every single day, still I am not able to speak English, and any words comes in mind only in form of first language. I don't think about in English words, sentences, thoughts. So it is very difficult for me. That is what I am sharing with you. Most of the people will have to face in this situation like me, because in beginning there are many difficulty you will have to face just like me, because I am Hindi language background. My environment is totally Hindi language. Most of the sentences, most of the time I spend in my own mother tongue, that is Hindi language, and I give less time to learn English. So this is the reason behind this. Why am I not able to speak English with fluency? In this video, I am not talking about fluent English. I always try to, in this series, speak English without fluency. I speak English broken. That is the series name, Broken and Spoken English. So guys, this is my situation, my problems while speaking, but I always try to speak English without thinking about the people judging me, my English. I always support myself, and of course you will have to support yourself. This is your journey. This is my journey. So I have to face this type of difficulty, and definitely one day I will overcome this challenge and I will be fluent. So this is the statement in my perspective, and follow, and you will have to do like me, how to face this situation. Guys, you know, speaking comes from speaking only. So guys, I lastly want to say that you don't give up your journey, and you support yourself in this situation. Take a small simple step, and of course Improvement comes through practice. The more you practice, the more you learn. Remember this statement. So, of course, a speaking journey, a speaking practice journey is so hard for all of you as a beginners. Speak yourself, trust yourself, no learning, no growing, and no earning. So, love you guys. I will see next video.